Hello friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning what is the switch is given here, like F.4, .2, .0, and A automatic. So turning on the calculator, then we are set to automatic. I'm set this one to 0. Okay, and 100 divided by 3. It is showing only 33. That means there is no point decimals. After point, there is no decimals you can see here. But if you set it to 2, then try again. 100 divided by 3 is equal to, it is showing 2 decimals after the point. That means 33.33. Okay, then just try again with 4. Okay, 100 divided by 3 is equal to, it is showing 4 decimals after the point, 33.3333. And if we set it to full and try once again, 100 divided by 3 is equal to, it is showing the full value. You can see here 3333. It is going like that. So that's the use. You can simply reduce the points and decimals by setting this one. So that's guys very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.